and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2 here in Asheville. Guys, we're here for a few more days until we head south again to Fort Myers. We are building our she shed in the backyard, and the roof is on, and they're getting ready to do drywall and put windows and French doors in, and this lady wants to be on hand to witness it all. It's a dream come true and beyond exciting for me, and I certainly hope you'll all come down to join me to do some painting. We're working today on an 18 by 24 inch canvas. This is a Practica canvas, and they're very nicely priced. They are not deep canvases, but they're sturdy, they're strong, and I have used these at the Fluid Art Experience with my students, and they seemed very, very pleased with them. But I've been working with kind of the same colors all week, and I've been working with them because I absolutely think that they're stunning. And I've got some leftovers, so I thought, you know, you've done an open cup with them, you've done a ring pour with them, you've done a few techniques with them. Why not do some swiping? I haven't done any swiping in a long while. So, drip test. I almost always do it when I'm feeling like I haven't done it in a while. And 90% of the time, guys, our base coat color is thicker than the other colors. And if anything, I like my base coat color a little bit thinner. I treat my base coat just as a slick surface for my other paints to glide across. Now, the reason it's almost always thicker is I mix it in a bigger container because I need more of it, and it feels different when I'm mixing it because the container itself is larger, the paint is denser. Then when I mix them in these little cups, I can almost mix these blindfolded because I use the same cups, I use the same stir sticks, and I know how it feels. So periodically, the swipe queen tests her paints. And like always, our base coat color needed just a little bit more water. Another pointer that I wanted to go over with you today is those of you who use push pens. I use them because they're easier. I don't have to balance them on a stand, my canvas on a stand, or paper cups. It's just easier for me to manipulate, set down, and pick up easier. But push pens are a little expensive. We use them over and over again, and when we do, they get gunky, and this stuff is very, very hard to clean off. And so as soon as my painting is done, guys, I leave the push pens in because the painting is wet and you don't want to mess with it. But I always take 4 cups and I raise it above the push pens on a level surface, and I let my painting dry like this, because there were many a times I left my push pins in, didn't raise it up on some level cups in a level space, and my painting has moved. So I think that's a good little tidbit for you all to know, because those push pins are definitely gunky, and it'd be very expensive to use new ones every time we paint. Let's talk about our colors because they're glorious. I love them and I hope they swipe well. Our base coat color today is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. My base coat is mixed exactly the same as my swiping colors, if anything, a little bit thinner. Our pouring medium today is my swiping pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium, and a healthy squirt of GAC 800 in every single one of my paints. The base coat got a little bit more GAC because it's a bigger container and there's more paint in it. And water in some of these paints. My fluid paints almost never take water. I put my pouring medium into a cup. I squirt some of my golden fluid acrylics in it, stir it up, and usually you're 100% good to go. No water added. My tube paints always take water. So how much water? It depends on your paint. It depends on how dense that paint is. Let's talk about our colors, guys. In this yummy cup right here, we have golden fluids in the iridescent gold fine, pouring medium paint, no water needed. In this yummy cup right here, we have golden fluids as well. The Q word in the nickel azo gold, pouring medium in the cup. A couple of squirts of this is all you need, guys. If you want a richer color, add another squirt of paint. Stir it up. Absolutely no water in that cup. My Mac paint, Arteza. This is their Boudreaux Red. This took a good amount of water because it's a medium body paint. And my new favorite, guys, you got to get your hands on this. I love this color. It plays beautifully with the Boudreaux Red, the nickel azo gold. This is Modern Master satin finish, and it is their Sashay red. Can't recall where I got this. I might have even got it on Amazon, and you can get it in this size, which is 6 fluid ounces. You can also purchase it, which I just did last night, in the quart size, which goes a very, very long way. I also have some Artist Sloth Soft Body Black in this little squeezy bottle right here. Some more of the Sashay red in this little squeezy bottle, and some more of the Boudreaux Red. And the reason I have these is I used them in a previous pour, and I figure, what the heck, let's use them up. What else do I have to share with you? Oh, we're swiping today with damp paper towels. And I think that's it, guys. I'm excited about these colors. They've played so well for me all week long, and we need to use them up because we are heading out of town, guys. So thank you as always for being here. I hope you join me on Tuesday evening at 8 p.m. for a wonderful tradition. It's the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration. I kick things off at 8 o'clock on Tuesday, and then Wednesday another artist, Thursday, and so on and so forth for the next 12 days right up till Christmas, ending with the Massey Boys. And all of us will be going off at 8 p.m. So join in the fun. Come chat with us. Let's get festive. Let's put some tunes on, guys. Let's get busy.
Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. I need to cherish every moment left with you. These dreams of color and fall as close, and then will break my heart yet once again. their colors. You will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by nine. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by nine. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by nine. This or do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say